Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to renovate your bathroom inexpensively. The biggest thing people want to do to renovate their bathroom on a limited budget would be the first thing you might want to do is just give it a fresh coat of paint. That'll give it a new look. It'll give it a nice new fresh look. Another thing that you may do to improve the look of your bathroom, you might replace the towel bars. Maybe a little matching set of the towel bar that holds the main towel and the hand towel bar, and maybe a matching toilet paper holder. Another way you could help renovate the bathroom is actually throw in a new light fixture that actually matches the towel bars. And then even another way is you could actually replace the faucet with a nice finish that actually matches everything else. So it actually ties everything together. And it also, with the fresh coat of paint, even on the cabinets and on the walls, it'll actually bring it all together, and it'll make it look more modern, and it'll actually make it look more new.